This week at work, I'm going to talk specifically about, do you have a growth plan? And I'm shooting this particular This Week at Work version in a train station. Because a train station is a fantastic analogy. Behind me, you can see the many, many trains arriving, departing, and importantly, the many, many people deciding to go somewhere. They have a plan to get there. Arrive on time at the station, buy the ticket, hop onto the right plane, get off at the right point, and you will arrive at your destination. At the moment, when I ask about growth, yes, everyone wants to growth. But when we dig deeper into, well, what is the growth plan? In other words, what will you be doing this month, the following month, the month thereafter? How are you measuring it? What are the actions that you need to take as a leader? And importantly, how have you organized your team to take the relative actions that they need to take in a coordinated way to get to growth? Very often what I'm hearing is that yes, growth is there, and yes, we have growth intention, and yes, every month we meet, we talk about growth. But hell, if we could only get our team to come along with us and do some of the heavy lifting, we might be able to enact the growth intentional strategy that we've designed. That is your job as a leader. If you aren't able to engage your team and then organize them in a practical manner to activate the activities that collectively together yield growth as an outcome, it's a point of failure in leadership and something you need to get right. It is worth your while getting it right too. Lifting and moving the heavy load of growth alone is very isolating. And yet, if you take your team with you and allow them to voice, allow them to contribute, and allow those that wish to shine immediately, it makes the journey more pleasant, it makes the likely outcome more realistic, and you will, in the end, not be a person or team of one, but a team of many. Consider your growth plan. Make sure it's practical and make sure that your entire team knows it. Until next week at work, have an entrepreneurial day.